Hello world, DevilEmox back with another video. De-bloating is a process which lets you uninstall bloatware and unnecessary apps seamlessly. Be it Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo, or any other device, the universal Android de-bloater tool safely removes needless apps from your Android smartphone. In this video I will show you how to de-bloat any Android device, within some clicks. Let's begin. First of all, we download this open source tool known as Universal Android De-Bloater GUI. The download link is given below in the description box. After that we have to download ADB drivers. For me, Universal ADB drivers were not working, so I downloaded another drivers. After that we have to enable USB debugging on our Android phone. To do so, first we have to enable developers options first. To do that we have to go about phone section of our phone and tap build version 7 times. Then we have to go on developers options and enable USB debugging. When we will connect our phone to our PC or laptop, we will see this type of message on our mobile screen. We have to allow access. Once you did all this, your device will get listed on the software and will list all the apps installed on your smartphone. If not, refresh the software or re-execute the software. Select any software you want to uninstall and click on uninstall. Simple as that. If you want to restore the apps, select the uninstalled section and all the list will be listed there. Restore them as you like. If you want any help, comment them down or ask me queries on my socials. I would love to help you out. That's it for today guys, I will see you in the next one. DevilEmox signing out, peace out.